Hello friends, today I am going to talk about the essential features of intellectual disability. I am Dr. Smith and welcome to my channel. So, two types of cognitive troubles that are faced by normal mentally retarded or intellectual disability people, that they have difficulty with cognitive tasks such as reasoning, making plans, thinking in the abstract, making judgments and learning from formal studies or life experiences. And the second difficulty they face, they have difficulty in adapting their behavior, socially accountable behavior, problems in communication, social interaction and practical living skills. So, we categorize these intellectual disabled people into certain categories, and according to the DSM-5 and ICD-10 latest version, the first category is F70 and 317, that is mild, and the IQ ranges between 50 to 70 for these individuals. So, as children they learn slowly and lag behind schoolmates, though they are expected 60% academic skills by the time they are grown. As they mature, deficiency in judgments and solving problems cause them to acquire extra help managing everyday situations like paying bills, shopping for groceries, finding appropriate accommodation, etc., and personal relationship may suffer. Memory and using language may be good, but may become lost when confronted with abstract thinking. The second category is F71 or 318.0, that is moderate, IQ ranges from 30 to 50, and they represents 10% of all intellectual disability individuals. When small children can be marked different from other normal children, though they can learn to read, to do simple maths, handle money, but language use is slow, simple. They need help in learning to provide their own self-care and engagements in household tasks. Relationships with others are possible, but does not recognize cues that govern ordinary personal interaction, requires assistance in making personal decisions and able to work under supervisors. The third category is F72, that is 318.1 according to the ICD-10 latest version. They are included in severe category. IQ ranges from 20 to 30, and they represents 5% of total intellectually disabled individuals. They may learn simple commands or instructions, communication skills, rudimentary single words or phrases, and under supervision they may be able to perform simple jobs. They may maintain personal relationships with relatives but require supervision for all activities. They even need help in dressing and personal hygiene. The third last category is F73, that is 318.2. They are under profound category and IQ level is below 20. They represents 1 or 2% of total intellectual disabled individuals with limited speech and only rudimentary capacity for social interaction, communicate with gestures. They rely completely on others for their needs, including activities of daily living. Usually results from severe neurological disorders, carry sensory and motor disabilities too. So, by identifying these characteristics, we can screen out such individuals in schools and in home or in society according to the disability, intellectual disability. Thank you.